I was on active duty for OSI, I was helping people. Like, I was finding missing children, and it was a wonderful experience. And I said, I just want to be a street cop in my neighborhood. And she's like, you're going to give up 80% of your salary? Yeah. So being the beautiful human that she was like, nah, we're not going to do that. We're going to find a way for you to do both. I went to day academy for the police department, and at 3 o'clock when I was done with academy, I would log on, and Gail was like, just work as long as you can. And if you can only work 4 hours because you're tired, then take 4 hours of leave that day.
Right.
Gail was the one who gave me that. So long story short, I wasn't competing with anyone at Accenture. I was using Accenture to create my own experiences, my own journey, my own relationships with the head of the Portuguese FBI, who I briefed for Accenture many, many, many times, who's still a good friend of mine, right?
Wow.
While other people were chasing titles, and I'm not saying that that's wrong,
right.
But what I'm saying is that was not my version of success. My version of success was relationships, traveling around the world, building skills, and then on the outside, building a massive portfolio that would take care of me for the rest of my life.